If you want to be ready for fire, God forbid it's going to happen again, keep at least 5 feet around the house with materials that cannot get flamed easily. This is a home that, for example, was completely burned right here on my left. And imagine that it would catch a wooden gate in here that will take it to the house, and then this house would have been burned as well. So, and here we see one of our gates. This is a Mulholland Brand gate. Had to be cut by the fire department to get in, so the lock area got cut. It's a good example to be ready for, God forbid, fire. So after the Palisade fire, it's very important when we rebuild to think about what materials we're going to use. You can have gates, fences, and wall cladding, or your garage doors, or your railings. Make them out of aluminum, have them be powder coated, and in many cases, those things, even if something, God forbid, will happen, can save your home. Those things can last for many, many years, looking good, looking beautiful, without the need of maintenance, without you worry about it getting rusty on me, I gotta get somebody, I gotta pay for it. All those things cost money, cost time, and that saves you tons of money, tons of time, and you have something that looks beautiful and stand there for years and years.